Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. We have another house to show y'all. Excited to see it. It is a 3-bedroom, a 3-bath, and it has a pretty good sized yard. So from the pictures, it looks a-okay, but you know, we always got to check it in person. So come along on our tour. If you're new to our channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're interested in anything Thailand, we are a family of 4 slow traveling around the world, currently based in Thailand and loving it. Like this video if you're interested or you like the house, and give us a comment and let us know if you would live here. Yes, Madi, how are you? Yeah, we're currently in Thailand and we are going to see a house. This is the outside or inside of a 3-bedroom, 2-bath.
Hi. Sorry, Cow. How you doing?
Yeah, the owner say don't have the gas, but include the
Sure.
garden service.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's fine.
yes.
Okay. So y'all will be included. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath villa. I believe the list price is 25K baht. So that's around 740, 750. You know, hasn't been maintained yet. Nobody lives here. Careful what I step in. I just want to get a lay of the area, but nice yard space. No one would be next to us. So, empty lot right here. Nice tree. Coconuts? Coconut tree? It's a nice yard. So always guys, I do a little walk around the house. Oh, sorry, Cobb. All right. Gates outside, okay.
This area, my land.
Oh, yours land. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. All
This
right.
area, my land.
Okay. All right, carport area. Just like to walk around the front. Okay. All right. Okay. All right.
I have 3 bedroom.
It's 3, right?
Yes.
Okay. Nice. All right. All right. First bedroom. The space outside. Little porch action. Okay. I got 2 windows, but it's barricaded by the bed. Nice bedroom. Bathroom. The older feel. Bathrooms aren't renovated, up to date. Not big on the bathrooms at all. So it kind of showed on the pictures. Outside deck. Oh, the countertops, nice.
Yeah, it is, right?
Mm-hmm.
I like the wood too.
Yeah,
Dark, but
yeah, it's nice. Mm-hmm. It's open. Small fridge. Huh. Outside here. All right. Bathroom 2. The space is not bad. Still better than the first bathroom. Need a divider. Like that, the windows just have it closed for some reason. Like open windows in the day. It's an old touch to it though. View of the yard from here. Guys, if it's your first time seeing our channel, hit the sub, leave a like. We're doing the tour right now in Thailand. We're south of Bangkok, just north of Hua Hin, if you're familiar with more of those populated cities. So looking at some options in the low season. So drop a comment, say hi. Always a beautiful day out here for real, even being in the monsoon time of year supposedly. I like the windows. I just don't like so much bedding. So much bedding. It's claustrophobic. But that could be removed, hopefully. Yes, too much bedding. Like the windows, but it's a little old. Old touch to it. Okay, nice big window. Wardrobe. So much wardrobe. How do you open this? Stuff, but nice. So this is the master, I assume. Windows. Has a vent in here. Oh, the floor is. It's out. It's not renovated. The space is good, but big on renovated bathrooms, guys. Bathrooms first, kitchen, then the space. We kind of have the view of the front, and I like how all these windows. Decent, it's okay space. TV center. like a little more space in the front. It's all right.
So it seems to be just a street.
I mean, I like the layout. I don't mind the location. The yard is really nice. Beautiful view of the mountains right here. Nice peak, very nice peak. So we just left that villa. You know, very nice. It's 25,000. So I think I said earlier it's $740, $750. I think that translates closer to 770 USD. My biggest thing was the bathrooms, like I mentioned. I really like the location. I like how we're nice to the CJ Moore. 7-Eleven is there. A couple of little other markets. And we're obviously much closer to the beach. It was only a 7 to 8 minute ride. And yeah, I don't think it's a no-go, or I think it's a no-go for us. But anyway, we're about to eat one of our favorite places, Beach Charm Cafe and Restaurant. So yeah. Love this food, guys. I don't remember the name of the calendar.
Oh, well.
But it's an old calendar.
It's an old calendar.
I think the difference is like about 63 or 65 years.
63 or
Something
65
like
year difference.
So
it's not the calendar we use.